guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm here with two special guests. They're gonna be in the background of my video, and I'm gonna need you guys to concentrate and to try not to be very distracted by the cuteness that is behind us. We have Sophia the schnoodle and the Doppel, my chihuahua, in his little diaper. Today we are here with a summer FabFitFun unboxing. You guys know I've been partnered up with FabFitFun for a few years now, and I'm very excited. So I would say maybe a year ago, the fall box really just changed my life. It was insane. It completely changed my life, but it also set a really high bar for future boxes. And I feel like in the last maybe year and a half, the products have gotten a lot more trendy and exciting. So if you guys are unfamiliar, FabFitFun is a seasonal box that's $49.99. It includes full-size products, but they aren't just beauty products. Do you guys remember when beauty boxes were like all the rage? Like that's all you wanted was a bunch of different beauty boxes. FabFitFun is different because it has all full-size products, brands that you recognize, and it's going to include beauty, fashion, lifestyle, fitness. I mean, all the cool stuff that we really like and look forward to. So it's a really great gift idea. It's also customizable now, so not everyone is gonna get the same thing. You are able to pick pretty much all the products inside your box. It has taken all of the strength in me not to open this box, and I shamefully need to admit that maybe I tried to open it already. I don't know if you guys can see the little tape mark right there. I was like, you can't do that to your pandas. You gotta be authentic. So if you guys wanna check out FabFitFun, I do have a discount code for you guys. It's not affiliate, I'm not making commission. It is CoffeeDani, and it will get you $10 off your very first. Look at how cute this box is, you guys. It's gonna get you guys $10 off your very first box. Now, here's the thing. If you sign up for like month to month, then it's cool. You get to customize your box, whatever. But if you guys actually sign up for the year, then you are able to get a head start on the add-ons, which is the video that I posted not too long ago on the add-ons that they sent me and I was kind of excited about. There were some cute dogs in the background of that one too. But rumor is that Sol de Janeiro might be in some boxes. So should we look inside? Is it weird that I really like the color of the box? I feel like we need to take a very special moment to appreciate how cute the box is. I mean, how cute is the box? Like, what am I gonna do with the cardboard box? Can I keep it? Can I find a use for it? Can I DIY something when it comes to this box? You know, one of the coolest things about FabFitFun too is they support a lot of female entrepreneurs or female-owned charities or businesses. So a lot of the brands that they include in here, you're like, yeah, you go, girl. So here is a little magazine. It has a beautiful Eva Longoria on the cover. It looks like a magazine, but when you open it, let me show you what's inside. It totally has like magazine vibes, but it also breaks down what's in the box. So basically what you got, what you could have gotten, and then the full retail price. So you're like, wait, what? I only paid $49 for my box, but I'm getting a $60 kimono? What? Yeah, it's kind of exciting. So we're gonna go through it. There could be bowls in here. There could be a tote. There could be, apparently Sol de Janeiro is in here. A felt board. Wow, this is exciting. Oh, wine glasses. Oh my gosh, this brand here, Jennifer Zuner, I think is how you pronounce it. I might be saying that completely wrong. One of the necklaces that I've had that's lasted the longest, I mean, it's like 10 years old and has never tarnished, is from that brand. So fingers crossed it's in here. You guys, oh my gosh, you are going to I basically have everything of my dreams in here. Do you remember when I almost cried when I got that fall box that completely changed my life because there was a lot of cool stuff in it? I forgot what was in that box just by looking at what's in this box. So the very first thing we have in here is a Sol de Janeiro kit. This is a full size of the body wash, the Brazilian Foreplay body wash. This is my best friend Sam's favorite body wash of all time. And then the travel size of the Boom Boom Cream. Okay, if you guys want to look like your legs have makeup and glow like a unicorn and smell delicious, like lickable delicious, this body lotion Let's see. So it says that the set is $45. The box was $49, you guys. Just, do you guys remember this? These are my favorite hair ties ever. If you have like 2.5 hairs like I do, and hair ties crimp your hair, crease your hair, completely make it lose its shape, or it rips out half of your 2.5 hairs, these hair ties will knock your socks off. They are a little pricey, but they last forever. And I didn't know that this was one of the items that was gonna be in here. Holy moly. I actually don't have these in nude. I just have the clear ones. How exciting. Okay, then we have a Dr. Rogers Restore Healing Balm. Is this for apply liberally to dry or damaged skin, nails, lips to aid in healing? Well, I don't have anything on my lips right now, so why don't we go ahead and put this on. But what is this? Dr. Rogers Restore Healing Balm is $30. Multitasking at its finest, the all-natural balm soothes and heals dry and damaged skin. So it looks like that. And then we gotta make the little hole at the top. Oh, there we go. All right. No scent. That does feel nice. How does it look? Do I look prettier, you guys? Do I look healed? It feels really nice, and I love the fact that it's not scented at all. Have you guys ever tried a product that's like for healing or supposed to comfort you when you have chapped or chafed lips, and then you put it on and it's like all fragrance? You're like, this is not soothing at all. Then we have a product from Wish, which is a brand that I actually learned about because of FabFitFun. I think one of my favorite things about FabFitFun is that it's helped me discover new brands. Like my favorite body exfoliating sponge from Spongel, discovered it because of FabFitFun. Now I repurchase it every time I run out. So this is the exfoliating foot mask with intense hydration. What is this? Coconut and verbena. Use at bedtime, apply liberally and let dry. Go to bed and wake up with softer feet. This sounds too good to be true, you guys. Let's see. I want to wake up with softer feet. I want to wake up with everything softer. So you have to put it on, let it dry, and then go to bed. But should you put socks on? Because it sounds like it could get messy, right? Let's see. Wish is also a cruelty-free brand, so I can totally apply this to my cruelty-free feet. Let's see. Oh, it's like a gel. So it's probably one of those chemical exfoliators. So it's not gonna be physical exfoliation like grainy bits. It's gonna be a chemical exfoliator. Then we have a hydrating rose facial spray from Grace and Stella. Let's see, where is that? You guys know a fun fact. Magazines have pages and you can actually turn the page and find more information. So the Invisibobbles were not my mystery gift. The Invisibobbles were on the back and those retail for $16. You guys, today is pool day. I'm wearing my pool tank. I have my pool face on, so I've already checked out. I'm already in my brain laying out by the pool, perhaps spraying my face with the Grace and Stella spray all day. That is a rose-infused mist that will leave you feeling fresh and moisturized. It's a $25 facial mist. So just like I tell you, oh, I think it's a little bit of a unnecessary hyped product, I also say I personally use it and I love them, but it's like a foot mask. Do you really need a foot mask? I think there's certain products that you don't want to compromise, like a good face serum or eye cream or sunscreen, but facial mist, foot mask, even sheet masks are luxury products. But if you can find a facial mist that actually makes you feel refreshed, you'll notice a big difference when you actually use one. All right, you guys, so let's try it. The Grace and Stella Spray All Day Hydrating Rose Facial Spray. Oh my gosh, that smells so good. It smells really good. I don't care if it hydrates or moisturizes. I just love how it smells. Can we use it as body splash? I mean, I would imagine it lingers, right? If it's like a nice rose fragrance. I guess we'll find out. Then we have this little guy from Living Proof. This is for their frizzy line, or rather anti-frizz, stopping frizz. you know what I'm trying to say. It's the Nourishing Styling Cream that stops frizz and lightly conditions. I would not use this at all. So this is definitely gonna go to one of my friends that has thicker hair that can actually carry this type of product. Just from my personal experience with my 2.5 hairs, there are some products that will just weigh it down, that will not do it any favors. I'd rather have frizzy hair than like way down hair, you know? But you guys know Living Proof is a super luxe brand. So let's see, this product is a styling cream that smooths, conditions, and blocks humidity without weighing your hair down. If you have more than 2.5 hairs. And it retails for 28 bucks. That's expensive for this little guy. All right, then we have, I'm guessing this is a mask, the Generation Clay Brightening Purple Clay Mask. Isn't that pretty? Packaging always gets me. Like, I'm like, oh, it's cute packaging. Sure, I'll try it. So that mask is a purple mask that works to rejuvenate dull skin and boost hydration. It's worth $39. I feel like all the stuff that I've gotten is really expensive. So it's refining, brightening, illuminating, and nurturing. Apply a thin layer to clean, dry skin, wait 10 minutes or until it starts to tighten, and then gently rinse off in circular motions. The number one ingredient in here is kaolin clay, which is my favorite clay ever to use on my face, especially when I have like a stubborn little bump that just decided to move in overnight. I'll just put a drop of a clay mask on it and just let it dry. The next morning, it's totally gone. Do you remember when I was geeking out about this brand? It's in my box. This box totally feels like intentional, but that's what happens when you customize your box. So you guys gotta get on it so you can actually pick the stuff that you want. So the star necklace is a retail price of $50. So let me show you what it looks like. I might just put it on right now and then wear it for the rest of the day. How pretty is that necklace? Isn't that beautiful? Should we put it on right now? I feel like we need to. I mean, if we're gonna talk about it and I'm like bragging about how it's one of my favorite jewelry brands and it lasts forever and it doesn't tarnish, I gotta put it on for you guys. Look how pretty it is. It's the theme 1 in a million. Look how sparkly it is. And it has that extender. Do you see how long the extender is? So you could wear it like a choker or you could wear it a lot longer. But you'll know how I feel about really, really shorty necklaces. I love short necklaces. I prefer them at like 14 to 15 inches, which is like right at the neck. All right, and there's one more thing in here. When I was customizing my box, I was just a little bit embarrassed that I got excited about this because it felt like not something that I would order in a FabFitFun. Like, I'm like, am I being nerdy by ordering this when there's other options? So you could have gotten like this beautiful set of porcelain bowls. You could have gotten this beautiful tote or a very luxurious robe. See, tote, robe, bowls. Like you could have gotten one of these things. I went with a felt board. You guys, everyone does the cutest pictures on Instagram with felt boards, and I want one. And I want one because I want to put it on one of those like picture stands in my bedroom, and I want to do like little love notes for my Parker LaRue. Or, you know, the double or Sophia. Where is Sophia anyway? Is she still here? Sophie? Oh, peekaboo. Did you see her? So it is a felt board that is super sturdy. It's very, very heavy. Look how thick it is. It has a little hook so you can hang it. It has all the letters in excess. Have you guys ever gotten one of those like crafty boards that has like 2 E's? How many people do you know that can write something cute with just 2 E's? You need more than 2 E's, okay? I'm getting a little salty about E's right now. Yeah, mi amor, yeah. Do you see how much this guy's shaking? The fan's on right now and he's like, it is too cold. It's like 70 degrees. It also has a little cloth bag so you can put all the letters in there. Although I don't think I want to do that because then it's gonna be really hard to find all the letters. Where are you going? Hi. Oh, you wanna come sit with your mama? You wanna come sit with your mama? Okay, you sit down. What do you want to write on our felt board? What do you want to write on our felt board? You want to write Popo? You want to write Popo in his diaper? Bubble in his diaper in the little felt board. Okay, so how cute. It even has little emojis in here. Okay. I'm gonna take just a minute to gather myself, to stop geeking out about my FabFitFun box. But if you guys still have time to get the summer box, do yourself a favor and get the summer box, because you saw how I geeked out about the fall box. I geeked out at the winter box too with the exfoliate. Do you remember that? I know you guys remember. I know the people that watch these videos are the people that see all my videos. So you remember how I geeked out about the blanket and the exfoliate. So this is probably the #1 geeking out episode. On this episode of Geeking Out with Dani, we're talking about FabFitFun. You guys, I got a felt board. I got my favorite hair ties, Invisibobbles, and I got my favorite ever body care scent brand of all time. Purple. Like, how exciting is this? How exciting is this? I know! All right, you guys, I made a mess. I got so excited, I made a mess. There's letters, there's shower gel, there's lip balm on my lips, there's stuff everywhere. So I really need to gather myself and just make some sort of sense of the mess that I've created. But I still smell like roses, in case you were wondering. Anyway, you guys, let's focus, let's be serious. I need to be serious. This is a professional video, you guys. If you want to save $10 on your very first box because you want to geek out just like I did about all these products, make sure you use the code CoffeeDani for $10 off your very first box. Remember, it's not affiliate, I'm not making commission, but you will make me happy, because then we'll be FabFitFun twinsies. And who doesn't want a twin with their BFF in their head? Yeah, that's us. That's totally us. Anyway, you guys, I love you so much, and you know what to do. If you found this video useful, entertaining, and learned something, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. And until next time, this coffee break is over. Bye, guys!